What's up, guys? This is Airsoft Wolf here, and we're doing Pistol Wars.
Yeah, we're doing Hunger Games.
I hope you like my new mic, and we're doing a bunch of different styles. This round is Hunger Games.
Ready? Go! Where are they? Oh my gosh! That was the first one I saw. Oh frick, it's on safety. Yay! Woo! Are you freaking kidding me? I'm dead.
So that was Hunger Games. I lost, but I killed one person at least, so I feel accomplished. Okay, so now we're doing one in the chamber as like a party game. You can only have one bullet in your thing, and then after you kill a guy, you can either knife him or shoot him. But if you shoot him, you only get one bullet back. If you knife him, then you'll have 2 bullets, and so on and so forth. So let's get into their game.
Suck it!
I said suck it because my friend was doing his he forgot to do his victory dance from last time. And I accidentally shot it, not even close to anyone.
I'll give up. Forfeit.
Now we're doing like Mexican standoff thing, so.
Oh, I got hit.
Man, I got hit off the bat. I have protection thing for my camera because I was really close to my camera.
5 faces and then Braxton says. 1. Oh, brick. Hey, I got the gun. That's your fault. No, that's actually Braxton. Braxton. 2 out of 3. Next game wins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What the heck? That went like. What the frick? I'm done. Dude, what? Look at the BB.
Well, I was complaining about BBs was like going out and then dropping right away. It's because the spring was not being able to cock all the way back. So I just died because I couldn't get even close to him. He was dying about a quarter of the way to him. It was ridiculous.
What the fuck? I'm just kidding. The Golden Stinger P311. This has a review on my channel if you wanna go see it. It's okay. Shoot again. If I win again, dude, that's done. And then it's me and Zach for the victory. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh frick. Well, that time I hit ya.
Until I won you first. Is that fair?
We're gonna do the best out of 5 because it's final. 5 rounds, guys. 5 rounds.
I don't want any bull crap moves by any. No penis shots. Okay.
Okay.
Stop.
I hope the hop up doesn't screw you. Oh frick! I'm out. I'm dead.
My friend is wanting to come back from redemption, so he won the first round, but I got 4 more rounds to come back and beat him and keep him in his place.
Guys, go. Go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah! The Boob Master. The Boob Master. 1 to 1.
Go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm done. Yep. Woo! Still the Booby Master. Did I shoot you in the boob?
No.
Booby.
Shove me in the arm.
So it's loaded?
So this is the final round. It's 2 points for 2 points for each guy. So whoever wins this round wins. Friend Zach is coming back from redemption from the last video.
I hit you! I hit you in the ball sack! I'm dead anyways. I got shot right there.
It went below my feet, I promise. I saw the BB. I saw the BB.
And I couldn't hold out. He gets his revenge. He's won a match and I've won a match. I can't wait for the next gameplay where we can fight each other again. Thanks for watching, but don't forget to airsoft.